Phoenix Contact supplies a wide range of products for a modern and efficient building installation. There are some special features in the installation distribution with control cabinet in the REG format. What products does Phoenix Contact offer here and how do they work together? With increasing digitalization, these electronic devices are not only becoming more diverse and more expensive, they are also becoming more indispensable and more sensitive. So there are several good reasons to protect these devices accordingly. At the same time, electrification is increasing consumption, but this can be managed efficiently through monitoring and data analysis. The functional unit power reliability is therefore dedicated to the question, how can I fully protect, reliably power and monitor my electrical installation? A wide variety of electrical components is connected via the main distribution board. These are, for example, all consumers that are connected via Schuko sockets, as well as the permanently connected AC consumers. But also power generators such as photovoltaic systems and DC consumers in smart homes, for example, door systems, notification and comfort systems, are connected here. The requirements for lightning and surge protection of this electrical installation are defined, for example, in Germany by the Association of Electrical Engineers, VDE. Thus, lightning and surge protection is normatively defined as required in all new and modernized buildings where people are present. Errors or defects in the installation therefore not only reduce the protection of real property, life and limb, but can also have an impact on insurance coverage. Buildings without external lightning protection are not assumed to be directly struck by lightning. However, indirect lightning strikes to the ground or to the power supply network can also cause considerable damage. Therefore, surge protection is also prescribed by the VDE for buildings that do not have an external lightning protection system. The most convenient solution is the flash trap type 1, 2 and 3 combination arrestor, which is selected depending on the type of network. It is installed without tools by quickly and easily snapping it onto the busbar in a standard household meter cabinet. The optional remote signaling module with digital output signals tripping and maintenance requirements so that the connected electronic components are permanently and reliably protected against external overvoltage. If 230 voltage devices, for example cable TV converters, DSL routers or switches in the media field, are connected directly in the main distribution, then Phoenix Contact offers sockets for DIN rail mounting in the REG format. Additional device protection is not required here, directly in the main distribution and close to the combination arrestor. Outside the main distribution board, however, additional fine protection is recommended for devices that are further than 10 meters away from the protected main distribution board. This protects terminal devices from overvoltage within the building installation, for example due to switch-on processes. There are various options for integrating Type 3 terminal device protection close to the terminal device in the building installation. BlockTrap 1S finds a place in the sub-distribution. BlockTrap SKT is mounted directly to the socket. Both offer protection in concealment and must already be taken into account by a specialist during installation. MNT plug adapters are equally safe and can be easily retrofitted by anyone at any time. In addition, they offer users a visual power and defect display. Particularly in outdoor areas, for example e-mobility wall boxes, outdoor lighting, pumps and other AC consumers as well as photovoltaic systems must be protected against overvoltage. Some of these already have overvoltage protection ex works. In other cases, it must be added on site. It should be noted that even the integration of a new consumer with a fixed connection to the building installation is considered modernization according to VDE, so the installation of a surge protector is also required in old buildings. In any case, an evaluation of the risk situation is recommended. Valve trap surge arresters protect reliably, whereby here the effective installation must take place below 10 meters cable length close to the consumer. VAL MS230 can also be used as a terminal block with through wiring, thus saving additional terminals, space in the distribution, wiring effort and costs. PV systems should be protected on both the AC and DC sides. Here, Phoenix Contact offers the generator junction box, completely prefabricated, thus easy and safe to connect. Special photovoltaic connectors are also available in the program and facilitate safe connection. Electrical door systems, including identification systems, alarm systems, notification and other safety and comfort systems, are often supplied with DC. To supply these DC consumers, AC voltage must be converted into the corresponding DC voltage. Historically, there are different voltage levels in the various systems. Step Power offers solutions for all of them in finely graduated power classes. LED lighting systems also have special requirements that are optimally served with a special step power supply for LED systems. Of course, all safety standards are served up to overvoltage category 3, which allows installation directly in the meter box. The step power supplies in REG format are reliable, long-lasting and energy efficient. What happens if KNX systems, electrical door systems including identification systems, alarm systems or notification systems fail due to a power failure in the main supply? To prevent this safely, the use of a DC UPS is an option. The STEP DC UPS in its REG design is optimally designed for the requirements in the stop distribution. On the one hand, the STEP DC UPS is extremely compact for its power class. In addition, the status displays are positioned so that they can be read at any time. If necessary, the battery can also be replaced without tools and without removing the contact protection cover, even by non-electrical specialists. Thanks to the regulated output voltage, it provides a stable supply for sensitive DC devices. As the number of electrical loads increases, so does the potential for energy optimization and thus the need for monitoring. This task is fulfilled by energy monitoring. Ampro is available with many scalable functions, with classic bus interfaces and for integration into the Internet of Things, via the Ethernet variant with REST interface. For example, the energy data can be integrated into networks from any browser with just a few commands. This energy data can be analyzed for the benefit of energy management as well as for network analysis, with the help of which, for example, device protection can be optimally set up. At the same time, the data from Ampro complies with calibration regulations and is suitable for billing processes. In addition to Ampro, there are solutions for third-party quantity delimitation with bidirectional, calibration-compliant certified load profiles. In conjunction with the solutions for network connection described in the functional area Communicate Securely, Phoenix Contact thus offers diverse and scalable solutions for optimally supplying, protecting and monitoring the building installation.